In this video, we will redo our exercise number 1 to find the missing angles. Now let's start from A. We know that the angles around one point add up to 360 degrees. So to find A, the missing angle, we will have to add the 3 other angles and subtract the total from 360 to get the answer. And the answer is 87. For B, we have only one known angle here and 3 missing angles. It seems that 138 degree and N are opposite angles, which means that they are equal. So N is 138 as well. How do we find angle P? We know that the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So to find P, we subtract 138 from 180 because they are on a straight line. And to find P and M, once we know P, M is equal to P because they are also opposite angles. Now for C, we have a straight line. The angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. We have only one angle missing, so we will add 40 to 68 to 28 and we will subtract their total from 180 to get the answer. The answer is 44. Now D. If we look closely at D, we will find that 60 and A are opposite angles. Some of you confused B and 78 and said that they are also opposite angles. How can you know for sure that they are opposite angles or not? We will use a ruler. You see angle B and angle 78. We will see if the two lines making these angles line up with our rulers. So the first line lines up perfectly, but let's see the other line. Clearly it's not, as you can see, it's not a straight line. It's not a straight line, so they are not opposite angles. So what will we do to find angle B is to use the angles around this straight line. We will add 56 to 60 and subtract their total from 180 to find B. For C, we will do the same. We have this straight line. We will add 78 to 60 and we will subtract their total from 180 to find C. Now let's take a look at E. In E, we have this symbol here, right here. It's a right angle. That means this angle is 90 degrees. We have a straight line, so the angles on the straight line add up to 180, as we said. So we will add 90 to 79 and we will subtract the total from 180. This angle here will be 11. Let's move to F. F is an easy one. The angles around one point add up to 360 degrees. So we add 148 to 58 and we subtract their total from 360. And the answer will be 154. Now let's move to G. In G, we have H and F opposite angles, and G and 56 are opposite angles. So G equals 56. Now, H and 56 are on a straight line. So if we subtract 56 from 180, we will get H. H will be 124. H and F are equal, so F as well will be 124. H here is similar to F. We have K and I opposite angles, and we have 28 and J opposite angles. So J equals 28 because both of them are opposite angles, and we can make sure by using our ruler. As you can see, it lines perfectly, and here as well it lines up perfectly. So J is 28. Now to find K, we use this straight line. Okay, K and J, because this one is 28 here, so we will subtract it from 180. We get K, which is 152. I and K are equal because they are opposite, so I is 152 as well.